So we're here at LeWeb 2012 here, and you have, what is appsfire?
So appsfire is primarily an app discovery service that is an actual app on iOS and Android. It's been downloaded over 7 million times, and we have millions of recurring users that use it to actually browse the App Store differently. It's the App Store the way it should be, in a way.
So is it an alternative to the main market, or is it linking to the main market every time?
It is always linking, so we're not replacing the stores themselves. We are helping the catalogs, because they're very static, to actually make more sense for the users. In a way, it's contextual serendipity.
So can you show how it looks?
Yeah, so here is the icon for appsfire, and it's been pre-configured for myself. So as I like deals, appsfire will find the best deals for me based on price drops during the day. As you can see, there's a little score here, so it will find the apps that typically have the best combination of quality and momentum and popularity.
And is that based on data inside appsfire, or taking from the marketplace every time?
We actually scan a lot of things from the marketplace and also from the web, Twitter and Facebook in real time. So we analyze the sentiment of applications, and we also analyze the rate at which the ratings are being improved or enhanced, and we find out which ones are cheating as well.
Nice. And do you scan all the apps on the device?
So
you know what people have already?
Yes, I mean typically we do that on Android to actually also provide a task manager. However, on iOS, the key point here is passive discovery. So we'll find the apps that make more sense for you based on your profile.
How do you know what people do? Does Apple allow you to see what people do on the iPad?
There are ways to do that because applications have a signature, so we can detect what apps are actually installed. But the best thing is for people to select their profile. It's the most effective way.
Select the profile.
So they define.
When you start saying what you like, the apps you have.
Yes, you can actually configure, the maturity filter. You can actually say, when you launch the application, there's a wizard that will help you say if you're a parent, a gamer, a geek, a traveler, and so on and so forth, which will configure the screen. The set of streams that you'll get access to, right? So here, I'm a fan of video apps and productivity, so I'm going to find deals because I've selected myself as a deal person, deal hunter.
So if you install this PhotoGuard, for example, or this one, what happens?
So PhotoGuard, I will present information that comes from the store, as well as information that we've fished out from review sites, from Facebook liking and so on. We have the app timeline, which we've extracted. We have apps by the same developer and so on. So this is all contextualized from data that exists in the stores and elsewhere. And of course, when you hit download, you will be redirected to the store.
Just to the store on iOS and Android.
Yes, absolutely. And so this is the consumer app, and we have a business on top of this, which allows us to take marketing budgets to promote apps once a day on our inventory.
So that's the business model. That
yes.
People that want to promote the apps even more, they can promote it in where on your list of apps?
So typically, what you see here is all algorithmic.
Yeah.
So
all
of this is algorithmic. However, the app of the day right here, here is a game by Atari. Has been promoted and paid for by Atari.
So just this part here is the monetization for your system. Everything is free.
Absolutely, absolutely. So
everything is algorithmic.
Everything is algorithmic, and what you see being promoted is labeled as promoted.
Nice. So you're not taking any commission on sales of apps or anything like that, right? You're not selling apps.
We're not selling apps. So this is a gift to the users. It's for free. However, with Apple, there is a commission on paid apps. So whenever there's a paid app downloaded from our system, we get a small commission.
And they have
affiliation. Affiliation, yes.
Not on Android?
Android doesn't exist.
Why not?
We've asked them.
It'd be nice.
Yes, they don't do it.
So how many of these kinds of systems exist? And are you the best in the market?
We are typically top of mind share on iOS. We were the pioneers 3 years ago. On Android, there are other actors that are probably better known in the US.
Do you want to say what they are?
AppBrain, typically.
AppBrain, yeah.
But appsfire, especially version 4.0, we're very proud of it. It's basically the fourth iteration, fourth generation of app engine that we've come up with.
When did you launch this?
About 3 weeks ago.
3 weeks ago.
Yeah. So it's massively popular. We have 5-star review all the time.
And it's launched same time iOS, Android.
So the Android version is a bit behind.
Why?
Because for us, the Android market is not the same, does not have the same propensity to generate business on the marketing side. So therefore, for us, it's lesser market. We know things are going to change. Android is a question of volume, because you don't have the same kind of users as well. So we'll get there eventually.
So what I expect about Android is that they're going to add subscriptions.
Yes.
People might pay $5, get access to all the paid apps for free.
Yes.
Does that make sense? And that would be awesome for you, right?
For us, as a recommendation engine, it's perfect. And at some point, publishers, whether they have a free app or a paid app or a free app premium with an in-app purchase, at some point they'll want distribution, and they'll come to us to help that distribution.
You clearly mark the ones that have all this in-app stuff.
Yes.
You clearly mark it's kind of like warn users that, hey, it's free, but maybe they will try to sell you pigs or whatever.
Absolutely. We have a filter called super free.
Super free.
Super free means free and no cash.
No cash?
Yes.
And you also tag ads? If the app is ad supported, you let people know?
No, we don't do that.
You don't?
Because that would require insider knowledge of each app of the 1.5 million apps. Okay. So that's a little much.
You can't like open every app and see what happens, like see if there are ads or not?
We don't have the manpower.
Okay.